Look at all that hail. As the cleanup continues, the Better Business Bureau is warning homeowners of a new scam.
Yes, contractor scams tend to spike after severe weather. So it's an important reminder with the start of hurricane season now just days away. Our Jalissa Garza has you covered on what to watch out for this morning. And Jalissa, these scams are actually pretty common.
Yeah, Steph and Jacob, that's right. They are not rare at all. They happen often, even if you don't think so. I mean, just last year alone, Texans lost hundreds of thousands of dollars to home improvement repairs that were actually scams, and that's just what was reported. Now, they say scam contractors or storm chasers usually show up right after a storm happens, and they offer quick repairs, but this is the catch. They usually don't have proper licensing, and they pressure homeowners into signing a contract on the spot. So here's what you need to know to protect yourself. According to the BBB, last year alone, Texans reported more than $200,000 in losses to home improvement scams. Experts say there are several ways to protect yourself. Never pay for a job up front. Legitimate businesses will never ask for upfront payment before work begins. Get at least 3 bids for repairs so you can compare your options. Research any contractor before you hire them. The BBB has an online search tool to help you find trusted repair companies that have licenses and customer reviews. Establish a timeline so you know how long repairs will take. Insist on a written contract outlining payment plans, timelines, and exactly what the job includes. And resist high-pressure sales, like if someone offers a good deal if you hire them on the spot. Bottom line, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Yeah, and as we head into hurricane season, it's an important reminder to get all your documents together, especially knowing your insurance coverage, your policy. That's important. A lot of experts say it's all about preparation. So the better you prepare, the better position you'll be in after a storm hits. Reporting live in Houston this morning, Jalissa Garza, KHOU 11 News.
Really good information to know and keep in mind with just days to go before the start of hurricane season. Thanks, Jalissa.